Student, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum. As you know that this is our 7th lecture, class 3rd, subject English, lesson Befriending a Jackal. Learning outcomes. Students will learn about don't be a friend of selfish person and who think bad for you. Lesson 7, Befriending a Jackal. A jackal and a deer lived in a forest. हिकु गिदड़ ऐं हिकु हिरण हिकु जंगल में रहंदा हुआ. The jackal wanted to eat the deer, but each time he tried to catch the deer. गिदड़ हिरण खे खाइणु चाहींदो हो, पर हर वक़्तु हू हिरण खे पकड़ण जी कोशिश कंदो हो. The deer would run away. हिरण परे भॼी वेंदो हो. One day the jackal made up a plan. हिकु ॾींहुं गिदड़ हिकु मंसूबो ठाहियो. He went on the path the deer went past every day. One day the jackal made up a plan. हिकु ॾींहुं हिकु गिदड़ मंसूबो ठाहियो. He went on the path the deer went past every day. हू उन्ही रस्ते ते वियो जितां हू रोज़ानो गुज़रंदो हो. He sat there and started crying. हू हुते वेही रहियो ऐं रोइणु शुरू कयो. The deer came by and asked the reason for crying. हिरण हिन जी तरफ़ आयो ऐं रोइण जो सबबु पुछियो. I feel lonely as I have no friends. मां अकेलो महसूस कयां थो जीअं त मुंहिंजो को बि दोस्त न आहे. I will go and drown myself in the river. मां वेंदसि ऐं पाण खे दरिया में ॿोॾे वेंदसि. The jackal said. गिदड़ चयो. The deer declared. हिरण ऐलान कयो. From now onwards, I am your friend, so stop crying. अॼु खां मां तुंहिंजो दोस्त आहियां, तंहिं करे रोइणु बंदि कर. So the jackal and the deer become friends. तंहिं करे गिदड़ ऐं हिरण पाण में दोस्त थी विया. A crow, who was also deer's friend, asked him. हिकु कांउ जेको हिरण जो दोस्त हुयो हिन खां पुछियो. Who are you going with? तो सां गॾु केरु वञी रहियो आहे? That's my new friend. ही मुंहिंजो नओं दोस्त आहे. The jackal, the deer replied. गिदड़ हिरण जवाब ॾिनो. He said to the deer. हिन हिरण खे चयो. It's not right to become anyone's friend without knowing about him. इएं कंहिं जो दोस्त थियणु सही नाहे उन जे बारे में बग़ैर ॼाणे. It's not right to become anyone's friend without knowing about him. इएं कंहिं जो दोस्त थियणु सही नाहे उन खे बग़ैर ॼाणे. At this, the jackal said. उन्ही ते गिदड़ चयो. Dear crow, even you did not know the deer very well. when you become his friend. प्यारा कांव, जेतोणीक तूं हिरण खे सुठे तरीक़े सां न ॼाणींदो हुएं, जॾहिं तूं हुन जो दोस्त थियो हुएं. You only come to know each other well after becoming close friends. तव्हां पहिरियां हिक ॿिए खे सुठे तरीक़े सां सुञातो वे ऐं बाद में सुठा दोस्त थिया वे. The crow did not say anything, but he was worried about the deer. कांव उन्ही खे कुझु न चयो, पर हू हिरण जे लाइ परेशान हो. One day the jackal took the deer to a large green field. One day the jackal took the deer to a large green field. हिक ॾींहुं गिदड़ हिरण खे वॾिन सायन ॿनी में वठी वियो. The deer ate a lot of grass. हिरण घणो गाह खाधो. From that day both went together to the field every day. उन्ही ॾींहं खां ॿई गॾिजी रोज़ानो ॿनिन में वेंदा हुआ. The farmer noticed that his crop was being damaged. हारी गौर कयो त उन जी फसल ख़राब थींदी वञे थी. Damaged माना ख़राब. So he laid a net in which the deer was caught. तंहिं करे हिन ॾियारी विछाई जंहिं में हिरण फासी पियो. The jackal felt happy. गिदड़ ख़ुशि थी वियो. Aha, the deer is caught in the net. हुन सोचियो, हिरण ॾियारी में फासी पियो हो. He would die soon and would eat him up. He would die soon and I would eat him up. हू जल्दी मरी वेंदो ऐं मां जल्दी उन खे खाई वठंदसि. The crow did not see the deer for many days. कांव हिरण खे घणनि ॾींहंनि खां कोन ॾिठो हुयो. He flew around searching for his friend. हू पंहिंजे दोस्त खे ॻोल्हण लाइ उॾामियो. He saw the deer in the field caught in a net. He saw the deer in the field caught in a net. हिन हिरण खे ॾियारी में फाथल ॿनी में ॾिठो. He flew down to the deer and said. हू हेठि हिरण ॾांहुं उॾामी वियो ऐं चयो, Don't worry my dear friend. मुंहिंजा प्यारा दोस्त, परेशान न थी. Just lie down as if you are dead. फ़क़ति तूं लेटियो रहो जीअं तूं मरी वियो आहीं. As soon as I call out, you must get up and run. जीअं मां तोखे सॾु कंदसि तूं ज़रूरु उथंदे ऐं डोड़ंदे. Meanwhile, the farmer come to the field. साॻई वक़्तु हारी ॿनी में आयो. He saw the dead deer and set him free from the net. he saw the dead deer and set him free from the net. हिन हिरण खे मुअल ॾिठो ऐं हिन खे ॾियारी मां आज़ादु कयो. The crow called out the deer, and the deer jumped up and ran as fast as he could. कांउ हिरण खे सॾु कयो ऐं हिरण जल्दी टपो ॾिनो ऐं जेतिरो थी सघियो डोड़ंदो वियो. The farmer threw a stick at the deer, but it did not hit him. हारी हिरण डंडी उछलाई, पर उहा हिन खे न लॻी. The jackal was hiding behind a bush. The jackal was hiding behind a bush. पर उहा हिन खे न लॻी. गिदड़ ॿूटनि जे पुठियां लुकियल बीठो हो. गिदड़ ॿूटनि जे पुठियां लुकियल बीठो हुयो. The stick hit the jackal's head and he died. डंडी गिदड़ जे मथे ते लॻी ऐं हू मरी वियो. At last the deer realized that the crow was right. आख़िरकार हिरण खे अहसासु थियो त कांउ सही हुयो. So he promised him not to become a friend of a stranger. तंहिं करे हिन पंहिंजे पाण खे अजनबी जो दोस्त न बणाइण जो वाइदो कयो. Thank you.